Did you know that 800 million jobs could be automated by 2030? Scary, right? Today, we unravel whether AI is taking over our dream jobs. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries rapidly. It poses both threats and opportunities on our career paths. Are you worried about losing your job? Many workers fear losing jobs to AI. This issue touches everyone, from factory workers to office employees. We cannot ignore this reality any longer. Let's explore sectors already impacted by AI. In manufacturing, robots assemble products faster than humans. In healthcare, AI analyzes patient data and diagnoses diseases. Consider customer service too. Chatbots handle inquiries day and night. They perform this task more efficiently than some employees. Before we look at which jobs are at risk, here are some fascinating insight. Studies show that AI creates 2.6 million jobs in the United States alone. Yes, AI can replace tasks, but it also opens up new roles. This shift could blend human skills with AI efficiency. AI will undoubtedly change our job landscape. However, the fear of job loss may overshadow new opportunities. As we delve deeper into this discussion, it's essential to acknowledge the psychological effects of AI's rise in the workforce. Workers constantly experience anxiety and uncertainty about their future stability, making it crucial to address these feelings openly. One significant aspect to consider is the importance of reskilling and upskilling in this evolving landscape. By embracing lifelong learning, individuals can adapt to new technologies, enhancing their relevance in the job market. Employers must also play a vital role in this process, fostering environments where employees feel supported and empowered to develop new skills. Amidst these changes, it's essential to recognize the value of collaboration between humans and AI. By leveraging the strengths of both, we can create a workforce that not only preserves jobs, but thrives in innovation. This symbiotic relationship offers the potential to tackle complex problems and foster creativity in ways previously unimaginable. If we approach these advancements with an open mind, envisioning a future where technology complements human abilities rather than replaces them, we can alleviate much of the fear surrounding employment. It's a journey toward a more dynamic and enriched working environment that we should all strive to embrace together. One key area where this collaboration can flourish is in education. As AI tools become more integrated into our learning systems, educators can utilize them to provide personalized experiences for students. This not only enhances learning outcomes, but also allows teachers to focus on mentorship and support, fostering deeper connections with their students. One must also consider the role of creativity in this evolving landscape. While AI excels at efficiency and data processing, human intuition and emotional intelligence remain unmatched, making our unique perspectives invaluable. Emphasizing creativity, therefore, can ensure that we remain indispensable in an increasingly automated world. As we progress in this dialogue, we should also explore the innovations AI brings to diverse fields. Consider how creative industries like design and marketing are evolving through AI-driven tools. They provide new ways for artists and strategists to enhance their work, pushing the boundaries of traditional practices. By embracing these changes, we can shape a future where human creativity and intelligence thrive alongside technological advancements, paving the way for a more prosperous and fulfilling professional landscape. Thanks for watching. Have no fear. AI is here to stay.